Hello everyone, it's Kingsley here, and this video I'm going to be discussing Finxpire. A lot of questions has been on my DM. What is Finxpire? Kingsley, what's Finxpire? My students are asking up and down. So I want to explain this very platform called Finxpire and how I have been able to make money from Finxpire. And I'm not just going to answer the question, I'm equally going to show you how you can also get started for yourself and get to make as much as we are making already. Now, let me warn you, Finxpire is yet to be launched. As of the time I'm making this video, they will be launched in 2 days. So I was privileged to have a vital information because I know someone who knows someone who knows someone who got the information, and here we are. So if you watch this video to the end, you will have every information you need to get started with your online business. And I have told you time and time again, if you've been following me, that the only thing you need for the next level of your life is information. Once you get the information, please run with it. If you keep procrastinating, you may not have the same chance again. So what I'm saying is, don't just watch and learn, implement and take actions on yourself. You never can tell where this will lead you, but I'm sure it will not lead you astray. So what is Finxpire? Finxpire is a new affiliate marketing platform, just like you have heard of Espartner, just like you have heard of Nenoflix, just like you have heard of Digistem, just like you have heard of Staycut. All this is affiliate marketing platform. You may also have heard of ClickBank, a very popular one at that. You may have heard of do you know Jumia is also an affiliate platform? So even Amazon is an affiliate platform. So you just have to understand. Now, Finxpire is an affiliate platform whereby a product owner brings a product to Finxpire. Then an affiliate can pick that product and market it and sell it, get a commission for selling, and then the product owner gets also his pay. Now, in the game of affiliate marketing, it is a win-win for everybody because the owner of the product gets paid, the person who marketed gets commission, which is still payment, and the person who has the product gets his own package, which is a win-win. Nobody is losing. So affiliate marketing simply means the act of selling other people's products for a commission percentage. Now, as an affiliate, your job is simple: recommend helpful products to people who need it and those who can afford it. Now, it is not enough to give it to those who need it. It is important to actually give it to those who can afford it. If you have ever heard about people becoming top affiliates, one of the things that help them is having the information first, and then working on it, generating leads before every other person, and then getting results before every other person. So I'm going to log into my dashboard because I already have an account with them, and you can see right here that I already have 45,000 Naira cooling in my affiliate dashboard. This is Finxpire, and then I'm going to show you the product, the hottest product on Finxpire right now, the product everyone is selling. Literally everyone on Finxpire is selling, and I'm sure by the time it is launched in the next 2 days, that is what everyone will be talking about. So you come to this place and you scroll and you see marketplace. Now, by the time you get to this marketplace, I'm going to turn this to a desktop site so that you can actually see everything for yourself. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products on this platform. Now, it has not been launched. It just, they gave some people access to have to put their product before the next 30 days. I bet if you come back here, you see lots of products, meaning that you can sell anyone and make more money for yourself. You are not limited to any amount of products you can sell. Affiliate marketing industry is one of the biggest industry we have in the world. It is rated over $17 billion. It is worth $17 billion. And you know, we are just 8 billion people in the world. If we were to share that money, everybody will receive something huge from it, but you cannot get your own if you don't go out to find it. So this is where you can actually go on board and get something for yourself. Now, these products here, any of the products you sell here, you can get a 50%, up to 50%. Now, this product is not your own. Look at how much this is selling, 40,000 Naira. Imagine you sell this product right now. you get 40% of this, you get 50%. That is 20,000 naira. Wow, that is awesome. And this platform is not only for Nigerians, it is also for everyone around the world. Like anyone at all around the world, you are getting this program, and it works for everyone, meaning that those in Ghana can get it, those in Zimbabwe, anywhere you are, you can start your business and get started for yourself. Now, in this platform right now, the hottest product here and now is this affiliate money mastery program. This is the hottest, and it is going for $20, and the commission is $10. So you can imagine this product is one of the hottest right now. If you join this platform right now, you will sell this product first because it is very cheap and people are looking for it to buy. So it is an affiliate marketing platform where you who does not have a product can become an affiliate and you get started. Now, the things you need to know is you cannot just come and register if you don't have any idea of affiliate marketing. So if that be the case, then you need to get through some stuff that will really help you and put you through. Now, we need to look at the AMM program, which is the affiliate money program. Now, on this very page, you can see AMM program. This is the product that will show you how to get started as an affiliate. If you're a new affiliate marketer, this will show you everything you need to get started and succeed. Now, it is a full course targeted at making you understand and know how you can use all your social media handle to make money for yourself. Now, in this part, it is part 1 and 2, meaning that this very part, it is just telling you the introduction of affiliate marketing and how to really start properly. You can see the first video is introduction, talked about mindset, it talked about affiliate and marketing, it talked about the components of a successful affiliate business. Now, it also talks about picking a hot product, and it is very necessary you get this very product. It is very necessary you get this very product. It is the best way to get started because everything you need, from copy and paste method, things that you just need to watch and then try it and you get the same result, they are all here for you, packaged and waiting for you. Now, look at this WhatsApp automation. Imagine you can be asleep and before you wake up, a sale have been made, and wow, that is awesome. So remember, I told you that one of the best ways to actually make money on the internet is either you're selling a product or you are rendering a service. So this is the best way. Selling is one of the best way to actually make money effortlessly. So you need to get started. You see these very videos that are packaged there, they are not even long. The first one is 7 minutes, the second one is 20 minutes, the third one 14, 9, 12, 14 minutes, meaning that you can cover them within a week. Part 1 and 2, you can finish them within a week and start making money. Or don't you want to make your first 50k? For instance, you don't even have, let's assume you have not made money online. This is an opportunity to start and hit up, and you can see 45k already is cooling off here in my dashboard. So the best way to get started right now is to go to the description of this video. I will drop a link for you. Tap on it. If you tap on the link, it is going to bring you to a page like this, and you can see everything you need to know and how to get started. So when you scroll to this very point, just click on it. Don't pass this point, just click on yes, give me the affiliate money mastery program. If you tap on it, it will load. By the time it loads, you can see my information already here. You fill your information and put your phone number. By the time you put your phone number, whether you are in Nigeria or not in Nigeria, it works for everyone. So by the time you put your phone number and do everything you need to do, you just scroll down, tick this, and then continue to check out. By the time it loads, it's going to bring you to this very page. Then you confirm. If you confirm it, it's going to load another page for you where you now use your MasterCard, or you use bank, or you pay with transfer. Now, I recommend transfer and pay with card. and it is just 10,000 naira. Immediately you pay your 10,000 naira, you're going to receive email, and the email is your product, which is the affiliate money mastery, and immediately it lands. Don't waste time, study that course. You can see they are not even long. I have showed you all of them, they are not long, so you need to go all ahead and study it and get the information you need and get started for yourself. Another thing I'm going to do that will make you succeed faster is by giving you access to my mentorship program, where you become one of my students and I give you access to what works. This is our mentorship program. Yes, my mentorship program, Young and Rich Affiliate, and you can see we already have over 60 people in that group. All of them are affiliates like you, young, rich, vibrant. You can see us, we're full here, everybody dropping their testimonies, and you can see everybody dropping their testimonies, how it is going on. You can see this one said another sales has landed, thanks to my boss, Coach Kingsley. Yeah, these are my people, and this is what we do here literally. So you just have to get access to this mentorship group, and this is not just what you're going to get. You're also going to get the free access to my book. The book I'm selling 10,000 naira. I'm going to give it to you for free if you're registering right now. Once you're done with your registration, you just go to the second link I will be dropping in the description of this video as well, and then click on it. It will lead you to my WhatsApp direct, and immediately you come and we know you're from my YouTube channel, and I add you to my mentorship group. So go on right now and get started with making money for yourself on Finxpire. I just hope you will not miss this opportunity of making money on the internet. I wish you well, and just like I said to my students, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.